Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, join me on this short and scenic trail in the forest as I explore Kibathithi Waterfalls located in Githunguri, Kiambu County. My adventure began on a chilly rainy morning in Githunguri town, which is less than an hour drive away from Nairobi and a few kilometers from Kiambu town. This trail is perfect for just an easy hiking experience as the terrain is relatively flat. As you walk through the forest, bursts of fresh air consume you, in addition to the surrounding natural beauty. The trail then leads to the Kibathithi Waterfalls. The magical sounds of the waterfalls draw closer as you approach the falls. The waterfalls and streams are normally crystal clear, but due to the rainy season at the moment, it was the opposite. However, you still get to appreciate its magnificence and how stunning and calming it feels to be at the falls. My trek ended with a short walk through tea farms. Simple and yet beautiful, this was a perfect and easy way to unwind. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next adventure.